Okay, so this is a video for anybody that's got one of these little Chinese, what was this thing, 110, I still got the tag on it, Tao boulder, something like that. Anyways, so if you lose your key like we have, my kid's been bugging me to get it fixed. I haven't had time to get an ignition switch, so this is what I did. There wasn't many videos on it, so I figured I'd make one myself. So this is the plug from the back of the ignition. So what you do, now I left these like this because I might do something different, but you take the solid red, solid black, and when if you just twist them together, it'll work, but then you got to reach underneath here every time and unplug it. I'm not dealing with that. So what I did was I put an extension wire on it. This is an old switch we had laying around some of our equipment. This is a two-way switch, on and off. You hook this back in, flip the switch on, lights turn on, it starts. But I figured I would show this before I hook it all back together. I'll hook it back together and give you a video. So this end used to go into, you know, obviously your keyhole. I took mine out to see if I had a circular switch I could put back in here, but I didn't. Let me go over here to my shipping container and I'll show you what that looks like. So that would be, this was the back side of the, I took it all apart because I was curious how it worked. Yeah, this was all part of it. I don't know where the actual, this is where your key would go, but I drilled it out so I could get it out. But I'll put it all back together and I'll show you how it works. Here it is all put together. So you turn the little switch on. What I'm gonna do is, and hold the brake. There you go. That's it. Then we're gonna shut it off. You do like normally would. Kill switch. Shut the switch off. It was nice. My kid took it for a ride and dumped it over like literally 2 seconds ago, but that's all.